G'day everyone, Lauren Kress, the business scientist here. So there's a few decision-making models you can use and implement to help you make a decision and solve a problem that's going to best suit you. The first decision-making model is the 7-step decision-making model. So in the 7-step decision-making model, we want to clarify and define the problem. So we're going to look at, okay, what's actually going on? This is the first thing that I do with clients when we have an initial discovery session. It's like, what's actually the problem in your business? Is there a problem in your business? Because sometimes it's like you talk about it and you're like, actually, no, this is fine, right? So it's like, what's the problem? Is there a problem here? Let's get clear on what's going on, what's happening in your situation. The second thing we want to do, so step 2 is about establishing those realistic goals. You've heard me mention this a few times. So we want to look at defining specific goals so that we can start to measure them. We can start to ensure that they're achievable, that they're relevant, and that they're timely. The third thing we want to do is want to brainstorm potential solutions. So without kind of diving into one particular solution yet, we want to look at like, what are all the possible things we could do? Let's just drop them all down. Let's get them all out. Grab a piece of paper, write down, here's all the things I can do about this problem. Step 4 is then we want to start looking at, all right, what's the positives and negatives of the solutions? What are the potential outcomes of each of these solutions? Let's compare them. Let's contrast them. Let's do a bit of cost-benefit analysis. Step 5 is about deciding on our course of action. Okay, what are we going to do about this problem? So we rank the options and we look at, okay, this is the option that's best for me. This is the option I'm going to take. Not just the first solution that comes into my head, but I've thought about this, I've brainstormed this, this is what I want to do next. The 6th step is to do the implementation. Okay, we decided on our strategy, we decided on our course of action. Now let's actually get it done. And again, this is where a lot of people get stuck. I've seen so many businesses do all the strategic work, figure out the course of action, and then just not implement it and just sit on it and be like, oh, it's too hard, we're not going to do it. So that moves us back into avoidant. We don't want to be avoidant, we want to get it done. Get it done at 80%. Doesn't have to be 100%, get it done at 80%. And then the final step is to evaluate the outcomes, which is something I'm always talking about. This is so important from a scientific perspective. What actually happened? How did that go? Did it work or didn't it work? If it didn't work, we need to make another decision. We need to do something else. So what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more videos from my channel.